Good morning ka-friendship! At today's video ay gagawa tayo ng Graham float. Okay? So, sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone! This is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Friendship, ito po yung mga ingredients natin. Meron tayo ditong fruit cocktail. Meron tayo ditong condensed milk. Cherries, optional lang siya. Meron tayo ditong dalawang all-purpose cream. Meron tayo ditong honey graham crackers. At saka isang jelly powder. So, optional din lang siya, ka-friendship. Okay, so simulan na natin ang paggawa, ka-friendship. What we're going to do first is ilalagay natin yung ating all-purpose cream sa isang malaking lalagyan. At i-whip lang natin siya. Come now, you do the whip. Wala niya. Kamla will do the whip. Siga ka para na magdasig siya magkot. Ayan. Point, idagdag natin yung ating condensed milk. Siya, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating tinunaw na gulaman. Ayan. Tinunaw ko siya sa mainit na tubig at pinalamig ko siya muna. Huwag nating i-mix yung gulaman natin kapag mainit pa. At this point, ka-friendship, maglagay tayo ng ating grahams sa ilalim ng ating container. And ka-friendship, maglalagay tayo ng ating mixture doon sa nilayer natin na grahams. And ka-friendship, bago tayo maglagay ng ating fruit cocktail, i-chill muna natin itong ating grahams at saka yung ating mixture just to make sure na hindi lulubog yung ating fruit cocktail sa ating mixture. So ayan, ipa-flat lang natin siya, ka-friendship. So at this point, ka-friendship, ilalagay na lang muna natin siya sa ref ng at least 30 minutes. So ayan na, ka-friendship, chilled na yung first layer ng mixture natin. What we are going to do next is maglalagay tayo ng fruit cocktail. Ayan. So, i-fill in lang natin itong buong container natin. Ka-friendship, nalagyan na natin ng fruit cocktail. So, what we are going to do next is maglalagay ulit tayo ng another layer ng grahams natin. So, ka-friendship, depende yan kung ilang layer ang gusto nyong ilagay at depende rin yan sa lalim ng inyong container. Friendship, na fill in na natin yung ibabaw ng ating first layer ng fruit cocktail. Na fill in na natin siya ng ating mixture at saka ng ating grahams. So what we're going to do next is magdagdag tayo ng another mixture on top ng grahams. So ipa-flatten lang natin siya ng ating spatula. Ayan, para maganda siya tingnan. And after this, i-chill natin ulit siya sa ref ng at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes para na yung next layer natin ng ating fruit cocktail ay hindi lulubog. Okay, so ilalagay na lang muna natin siya sa ref, ka-friendship. Okay, what we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is ilalagay natin yung huling layer ng ating fruit cocktail. So, ayan, marami pa tayong fruit cocktail. So, i-fill in lang natin itong buong container natin. Pinaka-final touch natin, ka-friendship, is lagyan natin ng cherry dito sa itaas. So, actually, optional lang siya. Pwedeng meron, pwede ring wala. So, ayan na po siya, ka-friendship. What we're going to do next is i-chill lang natin siya ng 4 to 6 hours and mas maganda pag overnight. Okay? So, balikan natin siya later. Okay, ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating fruit cocktail float. So, ayan na siya, ka-friendship. Okay, ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating fruit cocktail float today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and for those who are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is the Mira at your service. Always remember that always end the day with a positive thought and a grateful heart. Okay, so see you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!